The corporate billing philosophy is simple. You do what you do best, and we take care of the billing, leaving you free to run your business and build your customer base while improving cash flow. Here's how. Once you've completed a job, submit the invoice to corporate billing. We'll buy that invoice and pay you right away for a fee that's typically less than you'd pay on a credit card transaction. And we also provide centralized billing for clients that have multiple locations. So the job's done, you've been paid, and you're free to move on to the next job. Meanwhile, corporate billing sends your customer a month-end statement with your logo. We collect payment, typically within 30 to 45 days, or follow up on slow payables. But that's our problem, not yours. So, you do the work and satisfy the customer. Submit the invoice to us and get paid right away minus a small fee. And we work with the customer to secure payment. The liability is ours. You get your money in 24 hours, not 45 days. Improving your cash flow or working capital so you can keep doing what you do best and doing more of it.